All right, so we got to churn out a video a day. Okay, fine. All right. So what's happening today is what's not happening and has not been happening, right? So I thought, as you can see on the screenshot here, is Alyssa's cookies, and if you've ever had these, they're really good. They're these oatmeal cookies, and most of the health stuff is just garbage and gross. But surprisingly, it has like basically no sugar in it. 2 grams of sugar for 2 small cookies. And it's really good. The problem is it's like $6 for 8 small little cookies this way. So I thought, well, look, the ingredients are all here. I'm just going to figure it out. And I made a valiant attempt, as we can see, to gather all the ingredients. And this was maybe in February or March. And I made 2 or 3 batches. The first batch looked like them, but it tasted like cardboard. The second batch tasted a little closer, but it just kind of fell apart. It became very flat. So this is a little bit raised. I don't have one with me. But basically, it's a little pucks. It's raised. And then the second time it tasted okay. I put a little bit more, whatever the hell it was. So I just want to kind of experiment with this, different, because with baked goods, you have to have the right proportion. It's not like a soup or something. Oftentimes with soups, you can get away with just throwing in whatever. So I'm just promising, hopefully not emptily, that I'm going to go back to doing this again. Is this even in the shot here? So I have what is this? Dates? Because the other issue was I was just every time, both times that I tried to, maybe cut them up at the same time as I was doing it, and it's like, how about we get all the ingredients in one pile, all the ones we need, and then we can just measure it in and do it every time. So I don't have to cut the massive dates into little pieces every time. I just have them all cut up, all prepped, and then every day I can churn out a batch or two and maybe approximate what the right proportions are. So we got some coconut flake things here, dates. These are all old. This was packed on February 11, 2000. This is pre-COVID cranberries dried, and these are already old and gross. And even the cranberries, they're kind of small here. You have to cut these up too because it's tiny little pieces. Some of these are still probably good. The flax seeds, I think we grounded these up, right? Best Buy, August 4th, 2021. Okay. So some of these are still good. The baking powder. Did we use some baking powder in this? August 14th. I don't know. Does that expire? So anyways, I just want to say that's it. I kind of want to redo this and make a recipe for it because there have been some people who, if you search Alyssa's cookies recipe or something, you will find some of it. None of it even remotely resembles the ingredients list that is... None of it even remotely resembles the ingredients list here, which is weird because you'd think people would start with this, And it is surprising to me because you'd think, okay, sugar's 2 grams. Okay, they have a little bit of chicory root. That's a little bit sweet. But the rest of it really isn't. Like, this must be the most cardboardy pile of garbage. I urge you to buy this just once because it's expensive stuff, right? $6 for 8 little... Come on. And that's why I want to make them, right? But it's surprisingly, you look at the ingredients, and it's like, okay, 14 grams carbs. All right. Fiber, 8 grams. It's going to taste like some health food crap. It is sugar. It is sweet. I don't know how they do it. The coconut oil, here's the thing. I've done coconut oil before. That does taste sweet. This thing here, coconut oil, I have another coconut oil that's not refined. But you look at it and you taste it, and this is the sweetest thing ever. There is no sugar in coconut oil, and it tastes sweet. So that might be the trick, but I think when I added a bit more coconut oil, it did flatten the second batch. So anyways, I'm actually a little bit more excited about doing this, We'll get all the ingredients that are at least listed here, and we'll try to hack together the ratios that are correct. Natural flavors, I don't know what that is, but... that's the secret sauce there, but it doesn't look like it's a lot because it's the last thing. Maybe it's some extra little cinnamon or whatever the hell. Is cinnamon even on here? Okay, well, it is on here. Yeah, right here, cinnamon. Yeah, it is right over here. Vanilla, yeah, vanilla is good. We have vanilla. We have vanilla right here, right? This is it right here. So anyways, that's it. It's $6. I'm telling you, it's $6. And they have the vegan one, because the non-vegan one, it does have egg whites in it, doesn't it? It holds it together a little bit better. Holds it together like this. Let me see. Oat bran. Extra virgin. Palm olive. Egg whites right here. Right there. Chicory root fiber. I even bought that stuff. That's actually, it sells on, anyway. That's it for now. I'm excited about this. We'll get this done. Maybe. At some point.